Close your eyes for a moment and imagine a world teeming with life. Now open them and look down. What if I told you that beneath your very feet, hidden from plain sight, lies an invisible kingdom? A vast, intricate network, more ancient than forests, more pervasive than oceans, orchestrating life on Earth in ways that are nothing short of miraculous. This isn't science fiction, it's the secret life of fungi. For centuries, we misunderstood them, often lumping them with plants. But fungi are a world unto themselves, occupying a unique and pivotal branch on the tree of life. They are the ultimate recyclers, the silent communicators, the hidden architects that allow virtually all terrestrial ecosystems to thrive. Without them, our planet as we know it simply wouldn't exist. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey deep into the mycological realm, from the microscopic threads beneath your garden to the colossal organisms spanning miles underground. Get ready to discover Earth's hidden network, because once you uncover the true power and mystery of fungi, you'll never look at the natural world the same way again. Defining fungi, a separate kingdom. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly are fungi? For a long time, the scientific community struggled to categorize them. They don't move like animals, and they grow in soil like plants. But appearances can be deceiving. The key difference lies in their fundamental biology. Unlike plants, fungi are not photosynthetic. They don't capture sunlight to produce their own food. Instead, they are heterotrophs, meaning they must obtain nutrients from external sources, just like animals. But their method is unique. They secrete powerful digestive enzymes outside their bodies. These enzymes break down complex organic compounds in their environment, from dead wood to animal remains, into simpler molecules, which the fungi then absorb. It's external digestion. Furthermore, their cell walls are made of chitin, a tough, nitrogen-containing polysaccharide, which is also the primary component of insect exoskeletons and crab shells. This is a stark contrast to plant cell walls, which are made of cellulose. These unique characteristics firmly place fungi in their own distinct biological kingdom, separate from both plants and animals. They're often considered evolutionarily closer to animals than plants. This kingdom is incredibly diverse, encompassing everything from single-celled yeasts that make our bread rise to filamentous molds that can spoil food, and the charismatic mushrooms, shelf fungi, and puffballs we recognize. Each form plays a crucial role, often dictated by the underlying hidden structure that truly defines them, the mycelium. The mycelial network, Earth's wood wide web. When you see a mushroom sprouting from the forest floor, you're only seeing a tiny fraction of the organism. That mushroom is merely the fruiting body, akin to an apple on a tree. The real engine, the true body of the fungus, is the mycelium, an expansive subterranean network of delicate branching threads called hyphae. Imagine these hyphae as superhighways of communication and nutrient transfer, weaving through soil, decaying wood, and even living roots. They're quite literally Earth's original wood wide web. This network can stretch for enormous distances. One colony of Armillaria ostoyae, or the honey mushroom in Oregon's Malheur National Forest, covers over 2,200 acres and is estimated to be thousands of years old. It's one of the largest single organisms on Earth. Through this intricate web, fungi facilitate a constant dialogue. They transfer water and essential minerals between different plants, even different species, linking entire forest communities. Young seedlings can receive vital nutrients from mature mother trees through these fungal bridges, increasing their survival rates. It's an underground support system, a silent, cooperative intelligence at work. The mycelium acts as an exploratory front, constantly seeking out new food sources expanding its reach and adapting to its environment with remarkable efficiency. It's a distributed biological computer, making decisions and allocating resources. Decomposers extraordinaire, nutrient cycling. Perhaps the most indispensable role fungi play in every ecosystem is that of a decomposer. Without these tireless recyclers, our planet would literally be buried under mountains of dead organic matter. Think about a fallen tree. Bacteria can start the process, but it's fungi that are the true specialists in breaking down lignin and cellulose, the incredibly tough structural components of wood. Their powerful enzymes can dismantle these complex polymers, returning valuable carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus back into the soil, where they become available for new plant growth. This nutrient cycling isn't just a tidy cleanup, it's the very engine of life. Every nutrient that plants absorb today was likely liberated from decaying matter by fungi yesterday. Different types of fungi specialize in different kinds of decay. White rot fungi, for instance, are unique in their ability to completely break down lignin, leaving behind light-colored cellulose. Brown rot fungi, conversely, target cellulose, leaving lignin behind, often creating crumbly, dark wood. Each plays a specific, vital role in the decomposition continuum. They are the quiet janitors of the forest, turning death into life, transforming waste into the building blocks for future generations of flora and fauna. This continuous loop is fundamental to maintaining fertile soils and healthy ecosystems.
Symbiotic relationships, lichens, and mycorrhizae. Beyond decomposition, fungi are also master collaborators, forming some of the most fascinating and crucial symbiotic relationships in the natural world. Let's talk about lichens first. When you see those colorful, crusty patches on rocks, tree bark, or even old fences, you're not looking at a single organism. You're witnessing a marvel of cooperation. Lichens are a symbiotic partnership, primarily between a fungus and a photosynthetic organism, usually an alga or cyanobacterium. The fungus provides the structure, anchoring the lichen to its substrate and protecting its photosynthetic partner from harsh UV radiation and desiccation. It also efficiently absorbs water and minerals from the environment. In return, the alga or cyanobacterium performs photosynthesis, producing sugars and carbohydrates that feed both partners. It's a perfect example of mutualism, where both benefit. Lichens are true pioneers, capable of thriving in extreme environments where nothing else can grow. They gradually break down rock surfaces, contributing to soil formation, paving the way for larger plants. Even more widespread and arguably more impactful are mycorrhizal associations, the intimate partnership between fungi and plant roots. This relationship is so ancient and vital that it predates most modern plants. Over 90% of all land plants, from towering redwoods to delicate wildflowers, form mycorrhizal associations. The fungal hyphae extend far beyond the plant's own root system. This vast fungal network acts as an extension of the roots, vastly increasing the plant's surface area for absorbing water and critical nutrients like phosphorus and nitrogen, which are often scarce in the soil. In exchange, the plant provides the fungus with sugars and carbohydrates, products of photosynthesis that the fungus cannot produce itself. It's a perfect underground trade network. We distinguish between two main types: ectomycorrhizae, where the fungal hyphae form a dense sheath around the root tip and grow between root cells, common in many trees like oaks and pines, and endomycorrhizae, specifically arbuscular mycorrhizae, where the hyphae actually penetrate the plant root cells, forming intricate tree-like structures called arbuscules within the cell walls, common in most herbaceous plants and crops. These partnerships were crucial for plants to colonize land billions of years ago, and they remain the unsung heroes of forest health, agricultural productivity, and global ecosystem stability.
Fungi in our lives: food, medicine, industry. Our relationship with fungi isn't just ecological, it's deeply intertwined with human culture, health, and economy, going back thousands of years. Let's talk food. Beyond the obvious culinary delights like gourmet truffles, porcinis, and shiitake mushrooms, fungi are foundational to countless everyday staples. Consider the humble yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Without this single-celled fungus, there would be no bread rising, no rich beer fermenting, no fine wine aging. Yeast converts sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide, a magical process that has defined human gastronomy for millennia. Certain molds, like Penicillium roqueforti and Penicillium camemberti, give blue cheese and brie their distinctive flavors and textures. But fungi's impact extends far beyond the kitchen. In medicine, their contribution is revolutionary. The discovery of penicillin by Alexander Fleming in 1928, derived from the Penicillium mold, ushered in the age of antibiotics. This single fungal compound has saved hundreds of millions of lives by combating bacterial infections, changing the course of human history. The fungal kingdom continues to be a treasure trove for modern pharmacology. Cyclosporin, an immunosuppressant derived from the fungus Toleocladium inflam, made organ transplantation a viable medical reality. Statins, crucial for lowering cholesterol and preventing heart disease, were also originally isolated from fungi. Ergot alkaloids, historically linked to darker episodes, are now refined into medicines for migraines. Industrially, fungi are biological factories. They produce a vast array of enzymes used in everything from detergents to textile processing, breaking down starches, proteins, and fats. They're used in the production of biofuels, to create organic acids for food additives, and even as bioremediation agents in wastewater treatment. Their versatility is astonishing. From the essential microbes in our daily bread to life-saving drugs and innovative industrial processes, fungi are quietly, powerfully underpinning much of our modern world. Parasitic fungi. Impact on crops, insects. While many fungi are beneficial, a significant number have adopted a parasitic lifestyle with profound ecological and economic consequences. Fungal pathogens are responsible for some of the most devastating diseases in plants, posing a constant threat to global food security. Consider historic examples like the Irish potato famine in the 19th century, caused by Phytophthora infestans. Though technically an oomycete, it shares many ecological traits with fungi and was long classified as such, illustrating fungal-like impact. More recent threats include wheat rusts, corn smuts, powdery mildews, and various blights that can decimate entire harvests, leading to massive economic losses and food shortages worldwide. These fungi infiltrate plant tissues, siphoning off nutrients, disrupting physiological processes, and often causing wilting, lesions, and eventually death of the host plant. Managing these persistent fungal diseases requires sophisticated agricultural practices, including resistant crop varieties, fungicides, and integrated pest management strategies. It's a constant arms race. And it's not just plants that fall victim. The insect world is also home to specialized parasitic fungi, with the genus Cordyceps being perhaps the most famous, or infamous. These fungi infect insects, often altering their behavior in chilling ways, compelling them to climb to high perches before the fungus erupts from their bodies, releasing spores to infect new victims. While this sounds like something out of a horror movie, these entomopathogenic fungi are also incredibly valuable. They are natural regulators of insect populations. Scientists are actively researching cordyceps and similar fungi as potential biological control agents, offering eco-friendly alternatives to chemical pesticides. It's a compelling example of nature's brutal elegance. The future of fungi, bioremediation, materials. As we deepen our understanding of this extraordinary kingdom, we're discovering that fungi hold astonishing potential to solve some of humanity's most pressing challenges. One of the most exciting applications is bioremediation. Fungi's unparalleled enzymatic capabilities, honed over millions of years of decomposition, make them ideal for cleaning up pollution. Mycoremediation utilizes fungi to degrade a wide range of contaminants, from petroleum products in oil spills to persistent pesticides, pharmaceuticals, and even heavy metals. Some fungi have been shown to break down even recalcitrant pollutants like plastics, transforming polyethylene and polyurethane into benign compounds. Imagine mushroom farms cleaning up our landfills and oceans. They can also absorb and concentrate heavy metals like lead and cadmium from contaminated soil and water, essentially acting as living filters. Beyond remediation, there's the burgeoning field of mycomaterials. Researchers are cultivating mycelium to grow sustainable, biodegradable alternatives to conventional materials. We're talking about incredibly strong, lightweight, and versatile materials for packaging, replacing styrofoam. Imagine custom-grown, compostable packaging for your next online order. Mycelium could be grown into alternatives for leather, acoustic panels, insulation, and even structural building blocks. These materials offer superior performance while being entirely renewable and biodegradable. Companies are now experimenting with mycelium-based furniture, apparel, and even coffins. This isn't just a niche idea, it's a paradigm shift in how we conceive of manufacturing and waste. The future looks distinctly fungal. As we learn to partner with these ancient organisms, we can harness their natural power to build a healthier, more sustainable, and truly circular economy. So, the next time you step into a forest, or even just observe the damp earth after a rain, take a moment to appreciate the invisible wonders working beneath the surface. Remember the fungal kingdom, the silent recyclers, the essential collaborators, the microscopic engineers, and the potential saviors of our planet. They are the unsung heroes, shaping ecosystems, providing us with food and medicine, and offering innovative solutions for our most pressing environmental challenges. Their hidden networks are Earth's true foundation, a testament to the intricate beauty and profound interconnectedness of all life. What was the most surprising or mind-blowing fact about fungi you learned today? Share your thoughts and discoveries in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If you found this deep dive into the secret life of fungi as fascinating and eye-opening as we did, please give this video a big thumbs up. It truly helps our channel grow. And for more explorations into the natural world's most incredible and often overlooked wonders, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you won't miss our next adventure. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the wonders that lie both above and beneath the surface.